Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Expedia not processing payment. If you've been stuck at checkout, unable to complete your booking, this guide will walk you through several solutions to get your payment approved and your trip confirmed. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, scroll down to the bottom right corner of the page where you'll see a help option. Click on it to connect with Expedia's virtual agent. This is a quick way to get direct assistance with payment issues. Once you're connected, explain the problem you're experiencing with your payment not processing. The agent will provide specific instructions based on your situation, so make sure to follow each step they give you carefully. Now, while you're working through this, it's also worth trying the booking again with a different payment method. When you retry your booking and reach the payment section, look for the option labeled Payment Methods or Payment Details. Click on it to view all available options. Expedia typically offers several ways to pay, including different cards, Affirm for installment payments, or PayPal. Select a different method than the one you originally tried. Sometimes certain payment methods work better than others depending on your bank's security settings or transaction limits. Next, it's important to contact your bank or card issuer directly. Payment failures often happen because your bank has blocked the transaction for security reasons, especially if it's an international booking or an unusually large purchase. Call your bank and ask them to approve online and international transactions. Also, check if there are any holds on your account that might be preventing the payment from going through. This step is crucial and can resolve the issue immediately. Another common culprit behind payment failures is browser data. Clearing your cache and cookies can often fix technical glitches that interfere with payment processing. To do this, click on the three dotted lines in the upper right corner of your browser. From the menu that appears, select Delete Browsing Data. A new window will pop up with several options. Click on More to expand the settings, then select All Time from the Time Range dropdown. This ensures you're clearing everything that might be causing conflicts. Finally, click Delete Data and wait for the process to complete. After clearing your browser data, try processing your payment again. Between updating your payment method, contacting your bank, and clearing your cache, one of these solutions should resolve the issue and allow you to complete your booking successfully. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.